Embark on a journey that will ignite your soul and set your heart ablaze with wanderlust. Travel, the ultimate expression of freedom and adventure, awaits you with open arms. Let your passion for exploration guide you to the farthest corners of the world, where unforgettable experiences and breathtaking landscapes lie in wait. Feel the thrill of discovering hidden gems, from quaint cobblestone streets in ancient European cities to pristine beaches kissed by turquoise waters in tropical paradises. Immerse yourself in vibrant cultures, where the rhythm of life dances to a different beat, and every street corner holds a story waiting to be told. Indulge in the flavors of the world, savoring exotic delicacies that tantalize your taste buds and awaken your senses. From sipping aromatic coffee in a bustling café in Paris to devouring mouthwatering street food in bustling Asian markets, each bite is a passport to a new culinary adventure. Unleash your inner adventurer as you conquer towering mountains, dive into crystal-clear waters, or hike through lush rainforests. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you push your limits and create memories that will forever be etched in your heart. But travel is not just about the places you go, it's about the people you meet along the way. Connect with fellow wanderers, locals who welcome you with open arms, and fellow travelers who share your passion for exploration. Share stories, laughter, and moments of pure joy as you forge lifelong friendships that transcend borders. Travel is a love affair with the world, a passionate embrace of all that it has to offer. It's about losing yourself in the beauty of a sunset over a foreign landscape, feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin as you stroll along pristine shores, and marveling at the wonders created by both nature and mankind. So, let your heart guide you, and let your passion for travel fuel your every step. Embrace the unknown, embrace the thrill, and let the world become your playground. For in the realm of travel, passion knows no boundaries, and the possibilities are endless.